At MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center, you're not just a number. We offer individualized care for each of our patients, plus prescription delivery and medication management.
MedsPLUS is there for any and everyone who wants a special touch with their pharmacy needs.
Call or visit today for a free consultation.
Bringing the pharmacist back to the community, MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center.
Visit MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center in downtown Birmingham at the new South Federal Building.
Happy Monday, everybody.
Or should we say, happy after classic week recovery.
Ooh. We hope y'all are doing well. For everybody who was in Birmingham for the Magic City Classic, hope y'all are recovering. I remember last week we said, based on our tips, we should be here bright-eyed and bushy-tailed today. I'm a little bright-eyed, but not really bushy-tailed.
I am, because I rested all day yesterday, so I'm good. Let's go.
Let's go. Well, it's Monday anyway. We're here for this week's MedsPLUS Medical Minute, and we're going to talk about a topic today that we've discussed before, but we want to kind of bring a different spin to it. So many of you may know that October is actually World Menopause Month, and October 18th, which was a little over a week ago, marks World Menopause Day. And so at MedsPLUS, we are not only proud to join this global movement, but we are always wanting to raise awareness, share knowledge, and help women not just live, but thrive through menopause. So many people think of menopause as a disease. It is not. It's our body's natural transition, basically signaling the end of our reproductive years. And it affects so many of us through a variety of symptoms. I read something recently that said there are over 40 different symptoms of menopause. Mm-hmm. And, most of us talk about the hot flashes and the brain fog, and maybe even some sexual issues as your estrogen and progesterone levels start to decrease. But there are things that we can do from a lifestyle perspective to help us manage this and help us manage each part of our body, from our mood to our metabolism, our heart health, sleep, and even bone strength. That's why we believe lifestyle medicine is so important, because it not only focuses on helping us relieve some of our menopause symptoms, but lifestyle medicine focuses on daily habits that you can do to shape your long-term health and help us feel our best as we go through this transition. So we've actually reached out and we consulted the International Menopause Society, and they actually have 6 pillars of lifestyle medicine that they highlight in order to help women thrive through menopause. And we're going to go through each one of these pillars. And honestly, y'all, it's things we talk about all the time, especially if you've been in one of our diabetes self-management education classes. These are not only tips that are good for menopause, but they're good for patients with diabetes, heart disease, and even those that just want to live a healthy life. So Dr. Jennifer, take it away talking about the 6 pillars of menopause health.
Absolutely. These are great lifestyle tips for anyone, and specifically for those that are experiencing menopause and just need to get back on track. So what does that look like in everyday life? So first and foremost, healthy eating, and that's focusing on nutrient-dense foods. So we're talking about fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and also calcium-rich options. So as we increase that intake, we also want to decrease caffeine, added sugars, and alcohol, because these can increase hot flashes. So by limiting those, we can decrease the hot flashes. And they also interrupt our sleep and our energy. So if we limit those, then we can improve our energy and our sleep. The other pillar is physical activity. Yes, we may have gotten off track last week or any time in life, but just remember to pick it back up. This is another powerful tool. Even 30 minutes, whether it's walking or if you're strength training, it can help to regulate your weight and preserve your bone density, and most importantly, strengthen your heart. Mental well-being, that is the third pillar. That matters too. So we know that the hormone changes that we experience in our body during this time, it can affect our mood and focus. So making space for mindfulness, or if you need to go to a therapist, or just quiet moments of reflection. The fourth one is restorative sleep. And we talk about this many times with a lot of our senior patients, but also for our non-senior patients. We want to try to be able to keep a consistent bedtime routine so we can limit our screen time before bed. That will help accomplish that. And then also avoiding heavy meals late in the evening. If your body is focused on digesting, then it's not going to focus on the restorative part of sleep that we need. Quality sleep helps our body to reset and recover. The next pillar is to avoid risky substances like smoking or excessive alcohol. So we've seen a lot of people with some full glasses. So it's time to get back on track. And that goes a long way of protecting your heart and your bones. So definitely make sure you're rehydrating and hydrating yourself on a daily basis. And finally, healthy relationships. Oftentimes we say movement is medicine, but connection is also medicine. So making sure that we stay socially active, reach out for support, also check on our strong friends that we think they have it together, and surround yourself with people who lift you up and pour into you. These 6 pillars may seem simple, but together they form a powerful roadmap for thriving during menopause and beyond.
Absolutely. And those are great pillars, like we said, not only for thriving through menopause, but if you have chronic health conditions or if you just want to live a healthy life. And I put some prompts in the chat just to start discussion. One of the things that, Jennifer, we've talked about many times through the years is how we weren't necessarily talked to about menopause by our moms or aunts or people that, have gone through it before us. Mm-hmm. And it's interesting because, a lot of times when young women are coming up in families, we talk about things like avoiding pregnancy, avoiding sexually transmitted infections, those type of things. But a lot of times we don't talk about menopause and how our family members go through that at the Thanksgiving or Christmas tables. So that's something I put a prompt in the chat so that we can share messages that we would tell younger women. So if you have women who are maybe in their childbearing ages, or if they're entering into their 40s, what are some things that you would tell them that you've experienced and things that you've tried that have helped you overcome some of your menopause symptoms? So definitely want to get y'all's input into the chat regarding that.
I'm having a moment.
Right.
As we speak about it, I'm flashing.
As we speak, Jennifer is flashing, y'all. So we couldn't have timed this any better.
Another thing I would add as well too, especially mothers that know that your daughter started menopause. Their menstrual cycle early. That's also can predict that they may also enter into menopause early. Black women on average enter into menopause more so than at a younger age than our counterparts. So having that conversation, as Pauline was saying, as you start to reach 40, 41, 42, 43, so that they're on the lookout and they're having those discussions with their doctor as these changes start to come about.
Absolutely. And y'all always know here at MedsPLUS, we are here to help you turn lifestyle goals into action. So Dr. Jennifer and I are both pharmacists. We offer personalized consultations. We can review your medications. We can identify things that may worsen your menopausal symptoms and also recommend safe, evidence-based supplements to help support focus, sleep, and hormone balance. We can also partner with you through our Path to Wellness program, where we combine clinical care. We can look at nutrigenomic testing, which y'all have heard us discuss that many, many times, nutrition support, and lifestyle coaching to help you take charge of your health during menopause and beyond. So I said it before, menopause is not an ending, it's a new beginning. And so with the right habits, guidance, and support, we can help you reclaim your energy, balance, and confidence. So like we said, we've discussed menopause many, many times before, but we just kind of want to bring a different spin to it and let you know that with lifestyle changes, including nutrition, movement, mental health, supplementation, you can not only just survive menopause, but you can thrive during menopause. Anything you want to add, Jennifer?
No, I think that's it.
All right. Well, as we always do, we want to kind of go through events that we have coming up to let y'all know we are always in the community. We survived Magic City Classic Week. I don't know. I think we went to 6-8 different events over the course of the week. Very, very busy, but it was good seeing y'all, connecting with y'all. Many people recognized us from videos and social media. So it was kind of cool to be like a little local celebrity in Birmingham. So to let y'all know about some events that we'll have coming up. So actually tomorrow, we have teamed up with Dr. Cree, Birmingham's board certified internal medicine doctor, to have a vaccine clinic at her office in Trussville. So I will actually be there tomorrow, Tuesday, October 28th from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m. And we will be having all of the vaccines that you need to keep yourself healthy during this upcoming vaccine season. This Sunday, we will also be at First Baptist Church, First Baptist Church of Asipco from 11 a.m. until 1 p.m. Doing the same thing, just making sure everyone is up to date with your vaccines. So if you're in the Trussville area, come out and see us on Tuesday. If you're in or around the Asipco area, which I believe is like North Birmingham,
correct,
come and see us on Sunday from 11 to 2 at First Baptist Church of Asipco. And this Friday, which is also Halloween,
yes,
we will be participating in the Senior Fit Health Fair at Railroad Park. And we've done this event probably the last 3 years or so. It's always a fun event. A lot of the senior centers will bring in the seniors from around the city, and they'll be able to participate in free health screenings, free refreshments. Usually Piggly Wiggly is there with fruits and vegetables and snacks. There's exercise demonstrations. I hope Tracy will be there. She will. Okay. Usually they're doing all the line dances and exercises that are safe for seniors. So we're always excited to participate in this event. And again, we'll be offering vaccines for all of those people who come and need to be updated with their vaccines.
All right. That's a mouthful. So just want to remind you, together we can make menopause a time of strength, balance, and renewal. Thank you so much to everyone that shows us love, continue to show us love, and support MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center. And remember, we're located downtown Birmingham between 2nd and 3rd Avenue North on Richard Arrington, or give us a call at 205-650-4636. Until next time, have a happy Monday.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
At MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center, results matter. Don't settle for less when it comes to your health. Empower your health journey with a pharmacy that puts you first. Transferring your pharmacy is easy with our guidance. Plus, we offer prescription delivery and medication management.
Bringing the pharmacist back to the community. MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center.
Visit MedsPLUS Consulting Pharmacy and Wellness Center in downtown Birmingham at the new South Federal Building.